So I would like to discuss about the features of 1959, the bylaws features. The term of any elected body will be for 5 years. So the member required for office bearers is 13 members, 9 will be general, 4 will be SC, ST, OBC, and also in 13 member team, there is a women's reservation for 2 posts. So elections will be conducted by returning officer. If it is more than so election is conducted by the returning officer. Minimum deposit of 2 lakh worth share amount deposit to be made before district cooperative bank. What is the time required? Time required is 3 to 4 months. Procedure of formation of 1959 Act. So initially 20 promoters are required. Many have a confusion that promoter means a builder, but in fact promoter is not a builder. Promoter are generally the apartment residents who have purchased the flats, who are proposing to form the cooperative society under KCSA 1959 Act. So 20 people are required. 19 people will be termed as promoter. 1 person will be called as chief promoter. Their role is to propose to form cooperative society, and they are required to sign several documents. They are required to file affidavits, application, signed bylaws, and proformas before the registrar. Once these signed documents are submitted, a case worker will be appointed. A case worker visits your place. He prepares a feasibility report, whether a cooperative society can form or cannot be formed. He prepares a feasibility report. He submits it before the registrar. Registrar, after verifying feasibility report, he gives one order to collect share amount from all members and deposit in district cooperative bank. So each share person is liable to pay is 1,200 rupees, 1,000 rupees share amount value, 100 rupees application fee, 100 rupees registration fee. So every member required to fill in application for membership, providing personal details of caste, application of all members, and after once he gives the order, we have to submit application of all members, pro forma affidavits by chief promoter, and another 2-3 applications has to be submitted. And we also need to deposit minimum 2 lakh rupees share in the district cooperative bank or more, depending upon the number of members submitting for KCSA 1959. So once we submit all these details, they will issue registration certificate and bylaws. So once they issue registration certificate and bylaws, the next step is election process. The calendar of events is published. Returning officer will visit at least minimum 5 times. So in the first date in the calendar of events, he will call for nominations. All nominations are received, along with if anybody is claiming benefit for caste reservation, they need to produce caste certificate issued by Karnataka state government. They cannot issue caste certificate issued by another state government. So on the second date, again the returning officer visits to check if there is any withdrawal of nominations. If minimum 13 people fill in the quota required for the MC body or management committee, then they will be declared unopposed. They will be elected unopposed. If more than 13 people fill in the applications, then elections will be held. So on third date of calendar of events, the elections are conducted. And the returning officer prepares 5 to 6 election ballots. Suppose there are 7 men contest. There are 9 men contesting for general category. So you need to elect 7 people. There will be 1 ballot for general category man, 1 ballot. If there are 4 women contesting for 2 posts, there will be 1 ballot for women. Likewise, SC, ST, OBC. If those people have filed nomination and there is no opposition, they will be elected unopposed. So only those categories who have large in number and filing nominations, only for them elections will be conducted. For remaining people, if there are no other participants or contestants in that category wise, then they will be elected unopposed. So on that election date, election is conducted, and after on the same date the election results may be announced, or on another date election results may be announced. And again on the 5th or 6th date, the returning officer again visits to conduct internal elections for the posts of president, treasurer, vice president. So again, inside the election will be process conducted within the elected 13-member team. So this is the end of process for formation of cooperative society. This takes almost 3 to 4 months time. So I have registered so far around some 5 cooperative societies. In Devnalli, some 4 cooperative societies. In Hoskote, one of them. In Bangalore, I have started one process of registering cooperative society. So the next trend. So the 1972, if you ask my opinion, what is my opinion about 1972? Yes, there are several PILs pending before High Court. If the legal department's reply is accepted before the High Courts, then all 1972 associations will go for a toss. So if you ask me whether can we be in 1972 Act till that time the Act gets scrapped? Yes, you can.